In today's busy world, it is very important for us to allocate time to find activities that could help enhance our health conditions. I would personally recommend nature walk. In this video, I would like to share the benefits of walking in nature. Walking in nature controls depression, improves immunity and memory, reduces anxiety. It helps battle cold and flu. It contributes speeding recovery time after sickness, and to some, a source of happiness. Our brain gently registers the wind in leaves and the sound of the waters, revitalizing a fatigued mind. And the chemicals the trees naturally secrete reduces stress hormones. In addition to all the benefits that were mentioned earlier, nature walks nourish our mind, body, and spirit. While you're walking, your body burns fat and sugar more efficiently. It improves aerobic capacity for more efficient oxygen intake, and your body will learn to be more relaxed. With walking, you will learn to focus and relax your mind. You will also learn patience as you walk longer distances. You can also enjoy yourself and your surroundings with a friend, a family, or a significant other. Whether you're going out for a walk by yourself or with somebody else, I hope you'll find a way to enjoy. Have fun!
Sa aking collection. Ako sa gitna, parang